Hello Creative Cubs, welcome back to Creative Cubs Art. Today we are drawing a super cute moo cow. We'll start by drawing the nose first. So let's add two little dots for two nostrils and a happy smile. Yes, like this. Now draw a small oval outside them. Yes, and our cow is always cheerful. Now draw a big rounded shape for the cow's face. Nice and soft. Great job, little artist. Now add two tiny horns on the top of the head. Easy peasy. Our cow looks so friendly. Time for the ears. One ear on this side. Let's color it on the fold. And one ear on the other side. Just like the first one. Aren't they cute? Now add two tiny round eyes. Yes, the other one. Good job. Our cow already looks adorable. Now comes the fun part. Let's draw cow spots. They can be drawn anywhere and can be of any shape. We are drawing one on the forehead. Let us draw the cow's body now. The legs at the back with hooves. Extending to form a soft tummy. Now we draw the front legs. Joining it to the cow's neck. Add a tail at the back with a cute little flick at the end. Perfect. Let us come back to drawing the cow spots again on the body. You can draw them anywhere you like. Big ones, small ones, and you can be creative. Time to color. Now coloring the spots, the tail and the hooves all black. I am fast forwarding the video, but in case you find it going too fast, you can always pause the video. We can color the nose and the inside of the ears in pink or peach. Your cow is ready to say moo. Great job, Creative Cubs. Thank you for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Creative Cubs Art for many more cute drawings. Bye bye.